Hello, Victor here, storymercedes.com. This is a quick video for Wayne in Maryland. Alright, Wayne, so I'm changing the belt now, and just want to show you the pulleys and the old belt. So first is the old belt. Obviously, very dire situation here. It's like splitting. So sooner or later it would just fail. So we're changing it now. Markings are already discolorated because, again, of the age. So yeah, it needs to be done. I like replacing them because the space is tight in the V12 on the SL here. Very low room. I remove fans so I get better access to pulleys, and that's what I do. I also will clean up this area right here, and I also corrected one of the ignition wire here that's supposed to run in this little crevice. It's supposed to go under the cap. It should come out under the cap on that side. So it was hanging in front of it, so the cover was sticking out, so that's not right. Alright, so let's go over pulleys. The noise is better. So this is our AC compressor. It's fine. I'm sorry, not AC compressor, power steering pump, tandem pump. That's the AC compressor down under there. Looks good. Idler, the belt tensioner, I'm sorry. It's kind of okay. There is no play in it. It's all right. The water pump, fine. Secondary one for the water pump, the guide pulley, also pretty good. Air pump, just a little play, just slight noise, but nothing serious yet. Alternator is fine. And the idler pulley I'm replacing. And this one needs to be replaced anyway because these are primary cause of failures. So I'm changing that. They're not expensive. Pulleys pulleys made by Ina. That's the Ina pulley. It says Germany, but I don't know. Parts nowadays, you know how they are. They repack them and send them off. And the belt is Gates. So that's basically where we are. This is just to document what it was. It's what is this, September 1st 2018. That's the condition of pulleys. All right, I'll move on and get other things done. This is all. Victor here, storymercedes.com. Thank you for watching.